So the thing is, you need to put it in the middle first, somewhere. And then we'll do these two. Hold that one, it will go back, then it will go up again, and then you it will reset. Then we'll have to put it in the middle again, and then we do the calibration. Somehow it doesn't never calibrate anymore immediately when you do this. It should. So now we'll do it one more time, because now it's not moving anymore. And now, ta-da! So you have to do it the procedure twice, and then it goes back into for the next time. So now it probably doesn't go through the wall anymore. Then it does a system reset again when it's done. Yeah, now it cycles through it again. What you doing? And now we have the normal cycle again. Wow, what a hurry!